Good morning no sa mga paano no kumuha ng driving NC2, NC3 truck and bus and NC3 articulated. So itong hawak ko pong papel is yung kailangan nyo fill upan sa aming opisina no. So ang requirements na kailangan nyo is 3 perasong passport size picture with name tag sa baba, and then 2 valid IDs and COE na 2 years ang experience or certificate of training no ng kukunin yung driving. So meron po ako may driving NC2 no. Driving NC3 truck and bus. So yung driving NC2 is 2K, driving NC3 truck and bus is 2.5, and driving NC3 articulated is 3,000. So meron din 35 pesos pa na processing fee no. At kailangan po 10 kayo noon no. So kung hindi pa kayo 10, wala pa pong schedule. Hindi po yan katulad ng practical driving course na ngayong araw din ay makukuha nyo. So yung sa TESDA po is kailangan 10 person na kayo, and then before 1 week before ng schedule, tatawagan po kayo isa-isa para sabihin na yun yung araw ng assessment nyo. So wala pong refund to. Kailangan kung nagpa-line up kayo kasi nagbayad na kayo doon, kailangan pong pumunta kayo no. Ayan po, ito po yung pipildapan yung papel. Yun. Sa bago lang sa akin channel, don't forget to like, share, at ikaw na po bahala sa subscribe button. Thank you.